The molecular choreography of acute exercise. The study asks a deceptively simple question. What actually happens inside the body during and after a single bout of intense exercise at the molecular level? To answer it, Snyder's team put 30 individuals through a VO2 max treadmill test, running at a slight incline until complete exhaustion. VO2 max is a powerful predictor of lifespan because it measures how efficiently the body uses oxygen. But instead of stopping at heart rate or calories burned, the researchers analyzed thousands of molecular signals in the blood: RNA, proteins, metabolites, lipids, hormones, immune markers, the whole internal orchestra. What they discovered was not chaos, but choreography. The molecular response to exercise falls into four major patterns. First, there's an immediate burst, molecules that spike rapidly during and right after exercise. These include markers of oxidative stress, inflammation, and metabolic shifts like glycolysis. This is not damage, it's a signal. It tells the body to adapt, reorganize muscle, and get stronger. Second, there's a delayed response. Molecules that rise more slowly over time, involved in longer-term recovery and regulation. Third, some molecules drop first and then rebound. Appetite-related hormones like leptin and ghrelin fall immediately after intense exercise, helping explain why hard workouts can temporarily suppress hunger. And fourth, there are molecules that stay suppressed for at least an hour, including certain fatty acids that are actively being burned for fuel. One of the most important findings is that acute inflammation from exercise is good. This short-lived inflammatory spike is a necessary signal for repair and adaptation. It's the opposite of chronic inflammation, which is associated with disease. Fitness, at the molecular level, comes with its own healthy inflammatory signature. The study also found that saturated fats decrease during exercise because they're being used, while omega-3 fatty acids increase. These omega-3s aren't just fuel. They act as signaling molecules, influencing cognition, brain health, and anti-inflammatory pathways. Another major discovery was a previously unknown molecule called Lac-Phe. It surges after exercise and appears to play a role in appetite regulation. It may help explain why exercise reduces hunger and could have future implications for obesity, diabetes, and even medications like metformin. The conversation also touches on sprinting versus steady-state cardio. Early data suggests high-intensity sprinting may improve VO2 max more effectively than long, moderate runs. Shorter, harder efforts may produce stronger molecular signals for adaptation. Insulin sensitivity turns out to be a major factor. In insulin-resistant individuals, the molecular response to exercise is significantly altered, sometimes even inverted. Insulin spikes more, hunger hormones are less suppressed, and metabolic control is less coordinated. But this doesn't make exercise less important. It makes it more important. Regular exercise helps restore insulin sensitivity and realign these disrupted signals. Exercise, the study makes clear, is not about calories. It affects every organ system: muscle, brain, blood vessels, immune function, through pathways like nitric oxide signaling and protein turnover. It is whole-body medicine. Finally, timing matters. For insulin-resistant individuals, morning exercise may improve glucose control. For the general population, afternoon workouts may provide the greatest benefit. But the strongest takeaway is simple. Consistency matters more than timing. A single hard workout sends a powerful molecular message throughout the body. Over time, those messages accumulate. That's not just fitness, that's biological reprogramming. Coach DC out. Peace.